Over 4 decades ago in 1973, a visionary Shri Ram Ratan Agarwal made a humble foray into the world of manufacturing and started his journey in the serene atmosphere of Chandigarh.
In the early 70s, large tractor companies like PTL, HMT and Eicher has come up around Chandigarh. In the year 1973, we have started manufacturing bright bars to provide finished raw material to these tractor companies.
Today, the company has grown multifolds, taking substantial leaps in its business approach and prides in providing high-quality precision engineering solutions.
They are supplying us fabricated and precision components for our cranes as well as vibratory compactors. And as far as I remember, working with them for last 15 years, I have not seen even a single failure.
I'm quite happy to say that they have been supplying to class Germany, class France, class Hungary for the last almost 5 years with 0 ppm and with 0 delivery failure.
We have been working with JREW since the inception of this plant, Indian operations, and JREW is single source for the front axles, for backhoe loaders and skid steer attachments.
With industry leaders across the globe putting their trust in JREW products, the company has been bestowed with the status of sole supplier as well as direct online supplier by many of the renowned and prestigious brands like JCB, Caterpillar, Volvo, Claas, Manny, Godrej, Terex, Escorts, Mahindra, Voltas, Ace, etc. We are JREW Engineering Limited, committed to customer delight. The JREW Group manufactures light to medium fabricated and precision machined components, catering to a wide range of sectors. High precision engineering products are manufactured for earth-moving machinery, material handling equipment, agricultural machinery, and railways. The company has also developed some of its own products as per international standards under JREW's brand name.
We have developed attachments of customer design and our own for construction industry, for metal handling industry, and our own product, an electric stacker.
Ultra-modern production plants and manufacturing units are established at 2 strategic locations of North India, ensuring operational scalability as well as proximity to customers.
We involve the technical team of JREW right at the development stage so that we can achieve the production optimization of the components.
We are very much satisfied with their engineering and manufacturing capabilities.
They have also upgraded their facility to cope up the production volume as well as the quality requirement of class.
Through cutting-edge engineering practices, JREW's thrust is towards adopting newer technologies, creating cost competitiveness, and observing stringent quality control. In turn, making the products bear testimony to higher performance and greater reliability. With a turnover of over 1 billion rupees, JREW remains firmly grounded, retaining its core values of highest levels of integrity, professional ethics, and concern for protecting the environment.
JREW has always sought to be a value-driven company, delivering innovative solutions to our customers and provide a safe work environment for our employees.
At JREW, quality always comes first, both in principle and in practice.
हम लोग यहाँ पर ड्राइंग के हिसाब से पीस का इंस्पेक्शन करते हैं और एज पर ड्राइंग पीस सही होने पर अपने कस्टमर को भेजते हैं.
In the last 5 years, JREW's precision engineering has earned the trust of companies from UK, Brazil and Germany. JREW attributes its success to the highly motivated and skilled team. Over 500 employees are assets of the group.
I've been working with JREW for over a decade and it's been a wonderful experience.
मैं इस कंपनी 36 साल तो जुड़िया रहा।
मैं यहाँ पे 40 साल से नौकरी कर रहा हूँ।
अपने सीनियर नाल से डायरेक्टली गल कर सकते हैं। इस कंपनी चंगा काम करने वाले ने इनाम ते सम्मान भी मिलता है।
The management keeps its doors always open to its employees and take care of their needs.
यहाँ पर सब लोग एकजुट होकर के एक ईमानदारी से हम लोग काम करते हैं।
We try and imbibe the best practices from across the globe and always encourage our own people to come up with their ideas and process innovations.
For instance, if I have to do something new, I'm at liberty to think and decide on my own, which is how the company drives the innovation among the employees.
JREW हर साल एक नया फंक्शन ऑर्गेनाइज करती है। उस फंक्शन में हम लोगों को विद फैमिली इनवाइट किया जाता है। फंक्शन में एंजॉयमेंट के अलावा बेस्ट वर्कर, बेस्ट क्वालिटी इंजीनियर एंड बेस्ट सुपरवाइजर का अवार्ड दिया जाता है।
On the whole, it's a great learning culture at JREW.
I must say JREW is a very professional company, and having said so, it still feels like being into a family.
Under its CSR initiative program, the company provides vocational trainings of up to 6 months. The in-house technical training school focuses on skill development for youth in the region. JREW's core group always has a 5-year rolling plan ready, with thrust on improving its design, engineering and manufacturing capabilities.
We believe that sustainable growth can only be achieved through ethical working, motivated teams and nurturing of ideas.
We have taken initiative and introduced automation in our assembly area, powder coating with conveyor arrangement, and the modern tools which are available to us like Pokayoke, Kaizen, 5S, Six Sigma.
It is a matter of pride that our products are appreciated not only in India but also in Germany, Brazil and UK.
Today, armed with vast experience and humbled by customer trust, JREW is looking towards the future, ready to charter newer terrains.
We are very pleased and satisfied with the overall working experience with JREW.
I wish JREW team a great success in future.
JREW, empowering machines.